Hey, welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I hope you saw yesterday's video, dude. After we went to that toy expo, I was so curious to know what was in my sealed mini GT Kaido house boxes. I'm glad we opened them. The cars look incredible. If you have any interest in purchasing any of those cars from the video, please check my Whatnot store. They're all in there. And using my link in the video's description, you can get a free $15 when you make your profile to use in any show, store, auction, whatever. All right, we're checking a Target now. I just want to take the temperature of the store. Ford Mustang being left from the Jada Pink slips. Again, the pink Porsche is the winner. Nothing new on our 2-packs. No 4-packs at this store. They haven't gotten any of the new Johnny Lightning stuff. We should be seeing that drift car that we found at the Hobby Lobby. There's like, you know, the 240 drift car in blue. We found it in like a reddish orange or yellow. Yeah, dude. So I guess these will be on clearance at some point. I mean, nobody wants the Range Rover, the Big Bel Air. Here's the trick. Watch out, it could be a Chase, but this one isn't. Mercedes. Really would love to see the new dump in. I know other stores have gotten that same one that we saw. I think it was yesterday's video, or the day before. I don't remember. J and L cases in that bin. No K case. It goes right from J to L. Super weird. These are all the same cars we've already seen. Not much going on here with this Target. Was told what to use to strip the paint for the Ferraris, and apparently Walmart might even sell it. So let's go check one right now. All right, I guess this is it. Paint and varnish stripping gel. No harsh, wait. Oh no, is there two kinds? Oh, citruscent, no methylene chloride. I don't know which one we need. Some other stuff, premium stripper, paint epoxy. I think we need this. But I don't know, are they different? Where's the barcodes? Maybe they're just different bottles. Oh yeah, no, they're the same, 0801. So for some reason, it's just a different bottle. I wonder which one is newer, dude. Different color caps though, oh come on. So I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, no harsh fumes, removes dried latex, oil-based paint, strips multiple layers. Well, we definitely have multiple layers on those Ferraris. I'm gonna look for some kind of bucket or something to put this in. It says not to use it on plastic, so I don't know if we can use a plastic bucket to like, is it going to eat away at the bucket while it's just sitting there stripping? I know I could watch videos on how to do this, but I want to figure it out myself. I'm glad I just called Works. He's like, bro, just get a mason jar. Find like a mason jar, get glass, not plastics. That way I can just I want to be able to cover it. The only problem is it looks like all the mason jars are in like packs of 5 million. I just want one. Right, dudes, we are ready to strip a couple Ferraris. I don't know if we'll do them all in one shot, but let's start with something cool. Maybe the 308, one of the Testarossas. They were very cool. There was a mason jar outside of the package, and they sold it to me for a couple bucks. Wallfart taking care of the Florida man. I love you, Wallfart. Thank you. Oh, speaking of Wallfarts, I checked another one the other day. Check those clips out as we're on the way to the next store. We are checking a Wallfart now, and they actually have something pretty cool. The new Sweetheart series. Something is missing, some kind of OBS truck or square body, some kind of truck. I forget what it is. Every single one of these has a super chase. We have the van, we have the Bronco, the single cab VW, a dragster, and then again a Chevy truck. So every single one of these could have a chase or a super chase. So a lot of people are going to be finding chases. I mean, come on. So every single car, they all have a chase and a super chase. It's unreal. I've never seen that from M2 machines before. That is absolutely crazy. Next up on our Diecast fun train is Hobby Lobby. We checked this store fairly recently, but I don't think they had gotten much in. Hopefully, we'll see something cool today. Well, I'm seeing a lot of the same stuff. I don't see anything new from Muscle Machines, the Camaro. Here's some military. Oh, we dropped something. Well, let's see back there. We better look at that truck good, dude. Those ones have the tricky color for the wheels. Hello? Let's wait a minute. This is not cool. That's not a chase, but dude, These are now $5.99 and I paid X amount of dollars. Dude, that's not cool at all. They're now discounted because nobody wants a plastic die cast, right? Like, it's not really die. Anyway, we found the chase and paid retail, and I could have just waited, I guess, till it was $5.99. Awesome. Ooh, Ram chargers. Wow, that's pretty cool, man. And the only reason why is... Before stopping by the Hobby Lobby, I had to drop off a 2-car set to a drag racing fanatic. This dude has been to so many races, has signatures from so many people, and I'm gonna show you some clips of his private collection that goes back 40, 50 years. Like, I don't even know. Some of this stuff is so old. It's an incredible collection, and I was very honored to look at it. Thank you, Don. Once we're out of here, I'm going to show you those clips as we're on the way to the next store. All right, pretty cool. A little Chevrolet 150 1957 ground pounder, 7,000 pieces, 2022 release. What is that? 2205 and 2201. So those two definitely came in the same box for sure. Wow, dude, so many Johnny Lightnings. The new casting variation, if you find this in a chase, everything's gold. Yes, the frame, the wheels, it looks incredible. I would love to find that chase. It's a gold Lightning, I guess. Like, I guess you could call it a gold Lightning. Oh, I don't think we saw that. New casting of an El Camino, Camaro, and that is all leftovers. The Busted Knuckle Garage, that's here still. Topo Fuel Altered, that's all leftovers. Seen all that. The Black Bandit stuff, Showroom Floor Series. Hey now, dude. Okay, I could see that. I can see that. That's the type of green we need on our green light chases. We got another greenie. Check it out, dudes. Showroom floor 22 Ram 2500 Laramie in red. Beautiful green base. The tire's fallen off the back wheel because they didn't completely deburr the wheel, I'm guessing. I've seen that happen before. Wow, only $8, dude. I'm down. I am down for another Ram greenie. I don't know how many of these we have. I'm gonna guess 2 to 3 because I'm pretty sure when you guys sent the greenie chase of the Ram truck, and it might be one that we already have. I'm gonna have to look, and we can use it in our Chase RLC segment of the Whatnot shows. That's what we're gonna do as far as the RLC Chase show. Instead of doing one show and hopefully you make it, we're gonna spread out these chases and these greenies and these RLC cars over a few shows. And I also want you to please check my Whatnot store. I've been loading it up with stuff that you may like. You can DM to make an offer. If you can't get a hold of me, you can hit up the Florida Woman, the.FloridaWoman on Instagram. I'll put it up in the corner again for you, the.FloridaWoman on Instagram. She does check the DMs for you guys and can pass messages to me, so give her a follow because she's helping out a lot on this channel. All right, that's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. I love the green against the red, man. It looks awesome. I saw it right away. Here's the other one, some kind of Silverado. That would have been cool too. I wouldn't mind a Sylvie. I'd probably give it to Ralphie. He loves those GMC Chevy trucks. All right, there's the Foos truck, and I think that just came in recently. I don't remember seeing that. I know these Shell trucks were here. Ooh, drag strip demons, Ram chargers. There it is, man. Shout out to Don. Wait until you see this stuff. I'm gonna go pay for this green light Ram, and then while I'm on the way to the next store, check out the clips from Don's collection. It was incredible. All right, guys, we're here doing a favor to a local collector that I've met in stores. I'll show you what I brought for him, and when you see it, you'll understand. We're looking at the real mongoose. And so Don is the snake, and then
Tom McEwen
is the mongoose.
The mongoose.
And you've got the autographs right there, and then the beautiful Hot Wheels. Is that an oil can set? Do you remember the name of that?
The tire.
Oh, it's a tire?
Yeah.
Okay, because there's ones that have the tire that are called oil cans. Yeah, no, I see it, but there's singles that I have from years ago that somebody sent me. So that is incredible, the 35th anniversary. Oh, oh man, I should have brought you the chase, dude. I have the chase to that blue one.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I'll find it. I've got 2. You can have it.
Autographed by the original driver.
Wow, Bernie the farmer, and then look at this thing, Johnny Lightning Showstoppers.
And that's the same driver.
And what is that, a wheel stand right there?
Yeah.
So, oh, wow, it'll do a wheelie. Bonus wheelie stand. Unreal. And then the farmer, Beswick, who we're seeing the GTO right here, right? That's the GTO. Unreal. That's some cool stuff, man.
Look here.
When are these from, Don? The Snake and the Mongoose, those NHRA cars. Do you know how old those are?
At least, I would say 8, maybe 10 years.
Unreal. Don is a huge old school drag car fan, and he was looking for something from Hot Wheels that we have.
Magazine,
Oh yeah, wow.
1961.
Hot Rod Magazine, December, 50 cents. Those were the days. Top Fuel Legends, Johnny Lightning stuff we've never even seen.
Final Strike.
The Final Strike. Oh, wow. So 1994 is last year of racing. The Mack truck with the Top Fuel car. That's a Top Fuel car, I believe.
Yeah.
Yep. Unreal. That thing is sick. Ooh, another signature. He is a huge fan of the Snake and the Mongoose team.
One of 750.
Wow.
Wide.
So the truck is separate from the car. You just put them together.
Yep.
And did the truck come with this display?
No.
Oh, wow, dude.
That,
one of 600 and one of 750 ever made. All right, so here's what I brought him, guys. The 2-car set. He's been looking for this for, what, 7-8 months? I mean, since it came out.
Yeah.
And he just wasn't able to catch it. I think this is my last one, really. I think this is my last one. Case fresh, perfect card, and I'm going to leave it with this man. Here we go. Ohio, George Montgomery. With Don. Unbelievable, dude. That is cool.
I have one of his model kits of that car.
Okay.
From 1965.
Wow, man. Unreal. Ooh, look at this black split bumper 1972. The Sinister Camaro, signed by Monza. That's from Street Outlaws.
Yeah, these are all signed.
Oh, wow. Jeff Lutz. Dude, that's crazy. I didn't know they made these cars. There's Chuck's car.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't. Oh, you do have Chuck's signature.
Yeah.
Bro, that is so incredible. Daddy Dave, the Goliath, he had to build that car twice, right? He wrecked it the first time. And then Dominator, Street Outlaws. There's Doc, Street Beast, Murder Nova. Dude, I can't believe this is even a set.
And I made him, instead of writing Murder Nova, I said sign your real name.
Name's Sean Ellis, yeah. Sean Ellis is his name for Murder Nova. Dude, that is awesome, Don.
Look here.
Farm truck.
Real cars.
And there they are.
Diecast.
From the Hot Rod reunion. What year was that?
2014.
Okay, yeah, not terribly.
Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Wow, where the Corvettes are made.
Yeah.
I had one.
Ohio, George Montgomery.
He there it is. Wow. The Willies. Very, very cool, man. Were there a lot of dragster Willies back in those days?
Oh, yeah.
It was big time?
There was a class called gassers.
Mm-hmm.
And
wow,
what
SoCal
meant
Speed Shop.
by calling them gassers, you could do anything to the motor. You could build it out of it, but it had to run on pump gas.
Oh. So
almost
almost
were
full,
all blown.
Yeah, full custom, except it had to run on pump gas, not race gas.
Yeah, there's Grumpy Jenkins.
Yeah.
Sox and Martin.
That one is sick.
Yeah.
That's a nice diecast. Love the colors.
Warren Johnson, you've heard that name before in drag racing.
Sure. Dick Landy again there.
Yeah.
Unreal.
Jags.
These are
Bruce
beautiful.
Lawson.
Yeah, that one's cool too. So here we have some Pro Street hand-built models. Even the spark plug wires are part of that kit. Did the motor come assembled, or every single piece you had to do?
I had to buy some of those parts because they're
aluminum. Oh, really? Amazing. Wow, check this out. Acme Trading Company 118 scale dragster engine. So this is something you could put into a model if you chose?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Same car.
Wow, check this out. Funny Car Summer, 100% Hot Wheels. This is an adult collector piece right there. Limited edition for the adult collector. Another 2-car set from, gosh, what year do you think this one's from?
90s. Whoever would give them the better deal.
Yeah, I see that. So some of these are green light cars from Street Outlaws, and then some are Johnny Lightning.
The truck is actually signed by Farm Truck and Asian.
Yeah, I saw that. That is so cool, man.
I wanted the Beetle,
Right?
But they sold out before.
Oh, the dung beetle or
Yeah,
something like.
yeah,
Yep,
yeah.
yep. I remember. How cool was Don's collection? Shout out to you, brother, for letting me film that. Very cool of you. He said he's gonna put me in the will, and I'll get it all. I said, don't worry, man. I won't be selling a lot of that stuff. I'll just put that up and have it on display and be super, super happy. All right, I stopped by Dollar Tree Plus, but not looking good, my peeps. Lots of peg holes still showing. I'm gonna get back to the compound, start pouring some stripper. Oh wait, we have to remove the rivets. All right, so let's do some of the Ferrari restoration for tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video, my people. I really appreciate all of you, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.